Unlike when we tranquilize the rhinos, these high-powered air rifles actually deliver a massive dart filled with life-saving medicine.
Enjoy your vaccines! Have a great day! Why are they running? We're trying to save their lives!
Throughout this video, we're going to be saving over 1,000 animals. And I guess no one told the giraffes because they were making it kind of difficult.
Sir, I'm trying to vaccinate you! It's good for you, I promise, giraffes! Come get a vaccine! Well, it's so far away. We need to elevate our tactics.
Because the giraffe's territory is so large,